All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending where you're watching me from. Yes, I promised us yesterday that I'll be uploading a video on spot trading using limit order, but I couldn't make it up yesterday because of how hectic my day was. So today, being Saturday, and I decided to make the video for you guys to fulfill my promise. Okay, today we are going to, watch a video. We're going to, look at how, see how we can trade crypto, you know, using a limit order, and that is how smart money. That is one of the medium or way smart money use in making more profit in the crypto space. Not even the market order. They use limit order in making so much profit in the space. So I'm here today to teach each and every one of you that desire this video, how to use how to make money using limit order in spot trading. Okay, I will advise each and every of you watching this video to watch it from the beginning. Read my lips from the beginning to the end, depending on, despite how lengthy is gonna be. Okay, yes, in this space we learn every day. We learn every day, and if you don't want to learn, that means you want to be static. You want to be static. You want to deny yourself on certain things in this space. So I so much love, trading sport using limit order. I love it that way. It helps me to accumulate much profit than market order. And before I bring the video to each and every of you out there, I want you to understand the difference between, market order and limit order. I think I made this video one of the days last year, 2025. Yes, check my channel. Check it. Check the channel of this video you're watching me from. I made this same video and uploaded my channel towards that June, July last year or so. Yes. So I'm here to make the same video again. I want you to understand that limit order, and market order are not the same. Now, if you are trading sports using market order, what is market? Yeah, what is market order? If you are buying Bitcoin now, immediately in any of the exchanges, be it Binance or Bybit or Get.io, you just want to have like 100 USD, you want to buy a fraction of Bitcoin, you just go straight to your Binance app, open it, initiate the transaction, and the two will be your spot trading wallet. You are buying that Bitcoin at that moment, you are buying it at a market order. What is market order? Market order is buying a token at the current market price. Assuming the price of Bitcoin as at when you bought was let's say $68,000 per one. Now, because you have some leftover USDT, like 100 USDT or 500 USDT, you now decide to buy a fraction. You're going to buy that Bitcoin when Bitcoin is still at $68,000. You are buying at the current market price. That is market order. You are buying at the current market price. What is the current market price of Bitcoin or BTC? $68,000. Now, if you say no, you don't want to buy at the current market price, you want to buy using limit order in spot. What is limit order? Limit order is a way of you trading, buy any digital asset at your own price. At your own price, not at the exchange price, at your own price now. Now you look at BTC. So BTC is, you are sitting at $68,000 per one. No, I will not buy at this price. BTC at $68,000. That is the current market price. I will not buy at that price. I want to buy at my own price. You now set the limit order. I will show you in the video. So I will take you to exchange now. So we are going to use Gate. Okay. So I will show right there the Gate. I'll explain more. So watch this video from the beginning to end. Thank you so much. All right. We are in Gate.io exchange right now. Okay, I want to show you guys how you can trade spot using limit order. Okay, or how you can sell any token of yours using limit order, or how you can buy using limit order. Are you getting it? So this is Get.io once again exchange. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Hit that subscribe button, join the billionaires gang. Okay, if you're a return subscriber, God bless you for coming around to be watching our videos. God bless you guys. Don't take you guys for granted. Okay, now I made this video sometime last year, 2025, how to trade spot using limit order, and most of you have not seen it, but I want to make another video here today. Please, if you find this video, do me a favor, watch it from the beginning watch it from the beginning to the ending part of it to get every information. If you know you're a beginner in this space or you're a newbie in crypto, understand. And trading spot using limit order is what smart money, what they use, understand. And using limit order to trade spot is one of the major ways of making huge or massive profit in crypto. You make a lot of profit trading using limit order to trade crypto than even market order self. So I'm here to just, the video is going to be lengthy. Exercise patient, just watch it step by step, okay? Before I start trading spot using limit order, maybe you want to buy, okay? You want to buy any token using limit order. Today I'm going to make a video on buying aspect. Tomorrow I'll make another video on selling aspects so that I'll not confuse the newbies or the beginners among us. Are you hearing me? So today I'm going to show you how to come buy using limit order. Are you getting? Let's proceed. Before buying, make sure you have USDT in your asset. This is asset here. If you look down here, you see asset. If you open it, you see your USDT. You must go to P2P, get a USDT or transfer USDT from either your Penny wallet or Trust wallet to your gate, or from any exchange to your gate. You must have USDT before you start trading. I have my own USDT in my asset here. Are you getting it? Right. So now we are going to, once you open your interface on my own, is you come to trade. Make sure you have your USDT. You click on this trade. You sit down, look down, you see trade. You click on this trade, TRADE. Okay, you click on this trade. You look up here, you change the assets. This is BTC/USDT. That's not what we are trading today. You click on this drop down arrow, here, and choose the asset you want. Click on that arrow. Type in the asset. Which one are we trading today? Okay, let me say Shiba. Okay. SHIB. That's the short form /USDT. You allow it to pop up. Alright, can you see it? Shiba is left to 50. Don't make any mistake and buy the wrong one. See Shiba here. Okay. Sitting at 0.000006495. That is the Shiba we are looking at. You click on it. Okay. You click on the Shiba. Are you seeing it? We have the buy here. We have the buy. We have the sell. Today I'm going to teach you on the buy aspect. Tomorrow I make another video on a sell aspect. I don't want to combine it for the sake of the beginner so that it will not look confusing, okay, on their brain. Now we are going to buy Shiba. Before they, make sure you have your USDT in your asset. I've said it before. Then you change this. You make sure you change this cell. This cell. You touch the buy. We are buying today. We are not selling. Okay, you just click on the buy. Now touch the market. This market. Touch this arrow. You choose. You see limit order. Choose limit order. Touch the drop down arrow. Can you see it? Just follow me. Can you see limit order? You see market order? Today we are going to do with limit order. You click on the limit. Now the market is on limit. Are you seeing it here? Are you seeing it? Limit. Good. Once it's this way. Now look at me. Follow me. What is the current market? I've told the difference between market order and limit order. Market order means you buy at the current market price. What is the current market price of Shiba Inu? See it here. 0.000006496. That's the current market price. With your USDT now, you can even come here now. Okay, and it's okay. I have my USDT. If you have your USDT, you change this arrow here. This arrow here. You click on this arrow, choose market. If you are buying immediately, you want it to be in your spot wallet, sharp. You click on this market. You click on this market. Okay, you click on this market. Maybe you are using, I'm using 3 USDT. See it here. See it here. I'm using 3.5 USDT to do this practical. Okay, so if you are buying immediately, want it to be in your asset, in your spot wallet, you drag this arrow here. You drag it from the right, from here to the end. I'm using my $3.5. Watch it. You see? You see? I'm using all. I'll drag it to 100. If you're not using all, you can use 50%. You drag it back. This is 60, 59, 55. I want you to be at 50. 50%, that is half of 3.5%, that is 50. If you're not using your complete 3.5 USDT to buy, you want to use half of it, you stop it as 50%. If you want to use oil, I'm using oil because it's too small. Okay, if you want to use oil, you just drag this into the end, then you click on this buy now. Okay, let's see, buy now. Okay, it said confirm. Watch. If I click on this confirm now, it will be on my spot wallet. I don't want to click. If I click on this confirm now, it will be on my spot wallet sharply. But we are going to, that is market order. Buy immediately and you are out for the exchange. So, but if you want to use limit order, you touch this market, touch the arrow beside the market, choose limit. You see, it's on limit now. It has changed from market to limit. Are you getting it? So the video is going to be long, but just exercise patience. The major thing is for you to understand what I'm trying to explain here. Now, I've told you this is the current market price of Shiba. I don't want to buy at the current market price. Are you listening to me? I want to buy at my own price. And what is my own price? Now, practical don't start. I'll clean this price. I'll clean it up. Remember, Shiba is at, it has 506496. This is the current price here. This is the current price here. Okay, so I'm not buying at that price. Now let me set my own price here. Zero point 0.00121234. Okay. The other one is exchange on his market order prices 6 something, and that's okay. He adds, make sure it's 0.50, and I say like I will exchange buy for me the moment Shiba drops to 533. That is my own price. I'm not buying at the market price. This is limit order, and this is a pattern smart money use in accumulating, money, in making money in crypto. You can use even $3 and accumulate up to even 800,000 pieces of Shiba if it triggers. So at times it can stay 1 week before you trigger, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. But once you are sure that your price point is okay, just leave it there. One day it will trigger and go to your spot wallet here in Gate.io. Are you hearing me? Then this is my own limit, my own price. I will now draw this line to the end. This line here, I'll now draw it to the end. I'm using the whole 3.5 USDT. I'll draw it to the end. I'll click on buy. Okay, click on buy. You click on confirm. Watch where it will be. If you're using limit order, it's going to display in the here. It's not going to see where it is here now. Can you see it? See it here. See it here.